going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we're back at it. Feeling a little bit better. Probably gonna pick up just one car today. Today is the day of the auction. I didn't make an auction video. So I did buy 2 cars. Got one for sure. One for sure. The other one's on call. So I'm probably gonna pick up one of the cars that I bought last week. I need to start moving them up out of here. So need to start moving them up out of here. To start getting them ready. You know, since I bought 5, I already paid for 3 of them, so I got 3 cars that I can sell real, you know, and make some money. But yeah, they ran a good amount of cars today. Oh man, I can't wait to can't wait to man, my gums heal up, man. This hole closed, man. These holes closed, so I can start eating back what I really want to eat. But it's okay. I like the soft diet. Ain't bad, you know. I'm not gonna complain. Hopefully, man. So we're gonna pick up the Ford Explorer today. It's clean. It just got that one little rust running, one little fade spot up top. But I mean, then it's got like this off-road tire over here. I don't think all of them like that. See, they are good tire, but that's just like one off-road tire. It needs the door panel. So needs the door panel. It's only got 110,000, but that ain't nothing. I could just get some more white paint and just hit that right there, and then just hit like that up there. So needs this. We're done. Let me see. And it's 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah, that's gonna make it sell real quick. A little 4-wheel drive Explorer, 110,000 miles. Give me. Check these fluids. I'll give me 1,800 real quick off of this bad boy. Make sure I popped it. It's popped. Let me get this hood open, check these fluids, and I'll be right back with y'all. None of the windows roll down. That sucks. But we got AC. But thing about it, AC only blows through the defrost, so as long as we ain't gonna be too hot. That's an easy fix, cause I don't know. Switch, this gonna be an easy fix. So I'm gonna have to go see. Check some fuses, see why these windows ain't rolling down. We not about to worry about this headline. But we do got AC, the compressor did kick on. They ain't got no check engine light, just need some gas. But then on the back, I mean the spare tire back there. Hold on. All that 4-wheel drive stuff started flashing. Hold on, what's going on? I don't know, the battery light was acting like. Gotta go get us some gas. But slide through here. Going through the defrost, so we maintaining something cool. But we do need some gas though. They ain't got no service lights on. See what my brother bought right quick. Man, so some easy fixes. Easy fix. Tear up all this like window motor and all that, but there's plenty of these at the salvage yard. Vacuum off. Do got this one crazy tire on there. They got this other spare Okay, so they got the panel. They got the other. Oops, how did you do that again? It's already clean, so I ain't gotta worry about that. Is that the original wheel? That's the original rim, ain't it? Huh, I wonder why they didn't put that on. I don't know. Ain't that the original? Yeah, that's the... Nah, I didn't do it. Nah, I just moved it over here. Yeah, that's the original. I wonder why they put that donut on there. Probably because they had to go get a tire. I don't know. That's kind of weird. We'll take a picture of that when we take some pictures of it. It's clean though. It's clean. It's clean. 1800 all day. $1,800 easy. I think 1,800 is more than the fair. You just gotta get on there and get the roll and like I said, get that and get this, check the fuses, see why the windows ain't rolling down. It's probably because whatever they teared up over there, it's probably messed up. But probably what happened was they probably messed it up where you can't get a window lock. But it does have a good spare. Has good tires with a good spare. So I think I'll put that rim on, but it doesn't have the center cap, so it might not. Doesn't have the center cap. I don't know. I don't know. It's clean, so it doesn't really matter because they don't have that rim, and then I got the extra rim with a good tire in the back. So probably switch them. Yeah, I'll switch them just so it looks better. Then I can take a picture of the spare in there with the spare in the trunk. Get the AC blowing out the vents. So really just get the AC blowing out the vents. Get a little white paint or a little white can of spray paint. Spray that. Spray that. Gotta get some gas in it. This Urban, it's got good tires.
Yeah, that's what's selling me.
Oh, you know, if it got tires, it's selling me. That's the first thing I look at, is tires. Now I start right up. It's clean. It's got the rim in there. I don't know why they put the spare on there, but what do you think, I should keep the spare on there or I'll probably put the original rim back on there.
What do you mean?
On the back.
Yeah, go ahead and put the
But it ain't got the center cap though. I mean,
fuck it.
Yeah, it's a good tire though.
Then you put that one in the post, like going to get the extra 4 set.
Yeah, extra.
It's gonna look better with all 4 matching in.
Yeah, but it ain't got the center cap though. It's gonna.
You really want it to be fine.
I mean, I ain't really tripping. I'm gonna sell it for $1,800 anyway. It's 4-wheel drive, 110,000 miles.
Ain't nobody gonna be looking at this center cap. Oh man, that center cap, man.
You'd be surprised. You ain't got the extra center cap? Be surprised, man. Sound like the power steering low. Sound like power steering. Better see if it got some transmission in there. That's people like those when they already like extra clean. Like people want them to be extra clean. Like with those, to be extra clean, it's gotta be 4-wheel drive. You know, it's gotta be extra clean, 4-wheel drive or the third row seating. So I don't know, mine ain't sold yet, but I ain't really been. Like I said, I really haven't been available. When people been available to sell it to people, I'm not tripping. We're gonna pour this one out the gate, and then we're gonna take it on the road test, put some gas in it, and we're gonna go from there. Like it's supposed to. Temperature in at the right mark. Need some gas. Okay, temperature here starting to creep up some. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, creeping up real quick, didn't it? Hold on, what the heck? Hold on. It's hot. We back rolling though. I don't know. I cut it off and cut it back on. Now the fan was going. At first I didn't hear the fan going. So maybe that was a problem. Maybe got a fuse issue or something. I don't know. But I'm like, I had coolant in there. It's got more than enough coolant. You know. Maybe the thermostat was just stuck on. I don't know. We ain't gonna take too many chances. We're gonna try to get to the store though. At least get some gas. You know, and maybe see if it's maybe low. But it's holding tight. I just gotta check the fuses. Oops. I can't see nothing with my screen protector thing. But it's hot though, so I turned off the AC. So I don't know if it was the AC. And this thing's sweating. I don't know what that was about. And all of a sudden it wanna act right. I'm on the right side, yeah, I throw some gas in here. Now all of a sudden it wanna act right. I don't know what that was. I guess I gotta make sure when I start this thing up. But I see like when people, when people start taking stuff apart, you know. People start taking stuff apart and messing with stuff, and then, you know, they probably got other stuff that they mess with and making stuff not click on like it's supposed to. But I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna turn the air on and see what it does when I get back in there. Go from there. I'm really gonna put some gas in here right now. That feels good. Let me give me something to drink. Cause they're sweating. I don't like cold drinks though, but it's hot. Let me get the one that's kind of room temp. Give me the one that's kind of room temp. Can I get this, and can I get 12 where that white Explorer is? Got our H2O. Get some gas. We're gonna see what we got. Make sure when I start it up, make sure that fan is spinning. You know. Make sure that's spinning. Make sure that's spinning. spinning. We're gonna be good. We're just gonna have to ghost ride a little bit, but it's okay. We'll be all right. I'd rather ghost ride with the AC, but I'm gonna let the AC be on a little bit. We're gonna go from there. That's why you can't be talking first. You gotta make sure it's good. You can't just be having all these plans of what I'm gonna do with it first. I wish at least the windows rolled down. I wouldn't have been tripping. At least if the driver window rolled down. We made it back. I don't think the 4-wheel drive worked. I don't know if it's the sensor or something I hooked up, because let's see, the 4-wheel drive it'll flash and then it'll go off. But I know it's like you gotta put these in neutral. It's supposed to engage, right? I don't know. It runs and drives good. I topped it off with a little coolant. I don't know if maybe it had a little air pocket in there, but yeah. It's good now. It's good and running. I don't know, I'm gonna probably still change the thermostat in there. You know, I'm gonna check the water pump, make sure it's still pumping like it's supposed to. But I'm gonna definitely change the thermostat. You know, go from there, put a little bit of money into it, sell it for 18. With that, check all the fuses and stuff like that. See, check all the fuses. See what's working and not working. I sweated for y'all today, man. Sweated for this video. Turned the AC off. Respect the hustle, the grind, the shine. Yeah, we gonna get all this little minor stuff taken care of. You know, check these fuses, check underneath there and see what's unplugged and stuff and not unplugged, and you know, just kind of see what's going on. You know, but it does run and drive and shift through all this gear just fine. Get my water. Whew. Boy, out here sweated. Man, my jaw still hurt. Boy, out here sweated a couple pounds off of him. Sweat at least about a pound or two off me. At least. But if y'all haven't already, like this video, subscribe. What y'all sell it for, let me know in the comment section below. So we got that van and stuff, and I still got some other cars I need to pick up, but I'm out. Peace.